If you want to add link to your YouTube video description on iPad, first you need to open Google Drive app. If it doesn't have, go to App Store and install this app. Then open the app, then click this plus icon and upload file. Now choose browse. Now upload the PDF you want to add on YouTube video description. For now, I just want to upload this PDF. I just select this, upload. Yeah, it's completed. Here you can see the PDF file which was uploaded. Now just click these three dots and share, and click this manage access restricted. Again click that. Now change this to anyone with this link. Okay, now it's changed. Now just click this link like icon at the top. Now the PDF link was copied to clipboard. Minimize this. You can open YouTube, or the best way is open YouTube Studio. Now just click content. Okay, for example, if I want to add the link to this video, one thing you have to remember, you need to make that video as public. Click these three dots, edit, and visibility, make sure it's selected to public. Then add description. Now here just type PDF link or anything. It's completely your wish, it depends. I just type like this and colon and space, so to make that look professional. Now long press, paste. Now the Google Drive PDF link was pasted here. So here you can see verify. This is the thing. If you are using new YouTube channel, you need to verify your YouTube channel in order to make the external link clickable. Your link clickable, you need to verify your YouTube channel. Just click verify and just follow the upcoming step. It's like first you need to verify your phone number. If you doesn't verify, then you need to verify your identity using driving license, or you can use a self photo of yourself. So if you want to know how to do that means completely, watch this video. I will clearly explain everything in this video in step by step. So now just click save, and I just open YouTube. Okay, more. Here you can see the PDF link was added. I didn't verify that still, so that's why it shows like this. If you verify your YouTube channel, then the link will be clickable. If anyone tap this, the PDF link will be automatically downloaded on their iPad or any device. So basically this is how you need to do. And if you want to know how to make your external link clickable, watch this video.